What's up guys, EPICJONTUAZON here, and today I have a product that I'm super excited to install on the 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. I'm sure these are compatible with other Ford models throughout the years, and you can check Oedro's website for compatibility. This essentially is an organizer for the rear seat. So I'm sure you guys, if you have trucks out there, you're just stuffing stuff under the seat just because there's space. This is going to help keep it organized and contained. So let's go ahead and install it. So if you're just like me, you probably have a bunch of kids' toys laying around, maybe a golf club or two, a backpack, iPad, something that just needs to go somewhere and you hate just stuffing in every place. Basically, the organizer is going to go right here and it's going to have everything contained so nothing's flying around when you're driving or moving around, taking a hard turn. So I'm super excited to get it installed. Alright, looking into the back seat, in order to mount this tray to this, so the tray itself doesn't slide forward, there are bolts right here and over here. You're just going to need to remove the top hex bolts, and then you're going to use this provided thread-in knob kind of screw to help hold this to this. And again, essentially what that's going to do is it's going to prevent the tray from actually sliding forward from you with all of your stuff in there and attaching it to this tray here. So one of the great things I like about this organizer is that these trays here are removable. So if you wanted to put something long in there, like a golf club or a book bag, you're not limited to that kind of space. I'll just try and leave that there, and I'll go ahead and load this up and show you guys how I outfitted it. All right, so basically everything I had in there before fits right in there. I was able to slide some stuff from here over into this bin, knowing that it's not going to slide around anymore. So basically my backpack fits in there. You can fit a full-size golf club all the way through to the second bay. And then on the other side, I do have a car seat in there, so I'm probably not going to store much stuff in there that I don't need access to easily without taking the car seat out. But yeah, this is a really great product. All right, so there you have it, a really quick and simple install for an Oedro product that holds a lot of value. I'm a big organization guy. I hate having all my stuff kind of sliding around the back. This keeps everything nice and tidy, as well as organized. So if you're into that, this is a great product for you. I'll leave the links down in the description below so you guys can check out all of their products as well as this product if you're interested in buying one. Again, I'm pretty sure they're compatible with any model out there. I'm sure they have different years available, but you can check the link in the description below to see if they have yours available. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, took something away from it. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. Other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya.